If you happen to have the luck of getting kimchi at your local Asian grocery store, you want to have the seals completely sealed, okay? You also don't want to have extra air in there. It's going to fizzle, it's going to burst, so you definitely want it to be tight, followed by not just one, you want to have as many. I use 2, but you can go 3 if you like. Get that sucker in there, tie it up real good, get all the air out, because that air is just going to create extra smell. Take your kimchi, nicely tightly wrapped, put it in the back of the fridge, away from anything that might get the smell on it. Get your baking soda right there, close to it if possible. It's gonna be friends, and that way it'll keep all your food from smelling and tasting like kimchi, especially your freezer ice.